Welcome to the Tornado, the latest kicking device to enhance our hook kicks, our crescent kicks and our blade kicks. Simply screw the device to your deck. As you can see, it's all strong. It's made of aluminium, rubber fittings to the top, foam kicking device ready for action. Let me demonstrate some kicks. We have hook kick, front kick, blade kick, crescent kick. So the thing about this simple device is it's fun, and you can use both legs, alternate legs, or stick with one leg. Forward, back, forward, back. The more accurate the kick becomes, the quicker and easier it will turn. If I kick off center, the device tends to sway too much. Kick accurately, hit accurately, it will spin beautifully. The machine can be lifted and raised as the student can kick higher and higher. This is the child's version, made for little children, probably to the age of 10, 12. And then we have the adults version. Thank you very much.